Faulty or flat batteries are one of the most common causes of a breakdown and can be caused by simply leaving on some interior lights. The good news is, with the assistance of another car with a good battery and a set of jumper leads, you can be on your way in no time. Jump-starting a car is not difficult, but can be dangerous if not done properly. It's really important that you follow the right procedure to stay safe. Park the cars in a safe place and make sure that they're not touching. Nose to nose works best, as jumper cables are not very long. Check that both cars are in park or neutral and that the handbrakes are on, then switch off the engine of the donor car. Open the bonnet of each car and locate the batteries. Make sure that both batteries are 12 volts. If you're not sure, don't attempt to jump start the car yourself. The batteries have a positive terminal and a negative terminal. The positive terminal is red with a positive symbol, and the negative terminal is black with a negative symbol. If you can't see these, you may need to wipe away some of the road grime and battery acid with a cloth. Now, battery acid's pretty nasty stuff, so avoid getting it on you and throw away the cloth straight away. First, connect the red jumper lead to the positive red terminal of the flat battery, and then attach the clip on the other end of the lead to the positive red terminal of the donor battery. Then connect the black jumper lead to the negative black terminal of the donor vehicle before attaching the free end of the cable to a solid metal part of the car with a flat battery, such as the top suspension mount. Don't connect the cable to any moving part and ensure that the cables are well clear of the exhaust or drive belts. An easy way to remember what colour goes where is to think of red as a bright, happy, positive colour and black as a negative colour. Start the engine of the donor vehicle and let it run for a few minutes at about 2000 revs per minute. Then start the engine of the vehicle with the flat battery. Allow the engine to fast idle for a minimum of 2 minutes before disconnecting the jumper leads. Now carefully remove the jumper leads in the reverse order to the connection, starting with the one connected to the car body. For your safety, when you're connecting or removing the leads, don't let the red and black clips touch each other or the red clip to come into contact with any part of the vehicle body. Once you've got the engine started, you'll need to drive continually to recharge the battery. It's a good idea to get your battery checked at your local Hyundai dealer as soon as possible. If you don't have a set of jumper leads or another vehicle, you can call Hyundai Roadside Assist. Alternatively, some taxis carry jumper leads and may provide assistance. Remember, jump starting a car can be dangerous if it's not done correctly. If you're not sure or don't feel comfortable, leave it to a qualified technician.